Hello. Look here, look at the camera and say hi.
I see you have 50,000.
I can do it here. I'm a
Yes, one is okay. So I gave you the chauffeur.
Anything at all.
Hey. My husband of Abby. It's not possible. In my father's land, I can't live. Inside, I have too much smoke about that. How many times do you have here?
Let's see. Okay, we have freezer.
Oh, just a broken. Hey, what's the doing? This one is good. This one is better. Tomatoes for stew rice. Then can get boom.
I want the damage to this side.
maka ekume ya eku arahu.
Onion.
And the ekume ya ga-ekubi ya abụọ ofe ha gara nga abụọ. Ma ada ya nwa.
One abụọ.
Azụ okporoko ahụ goli elu nga na-aga abụọ arị ofe. Ma otu ụlọ.
Auntie yo.
Ọ jere ka
Chineke mee.
Ndị hotel.
Oh.
Ndị hotel. Nga mmanụ ha nga.
Hey guys, so my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, and my auntie and some other people are coming from my husband's side to see us here, my mom and every other person. So I'm going to dress in native attire. This is something I've never done before. I've never tied wrapper before. Honestly, it's not going to be like tie wrapper. Let me just put it on like that. This is my mom's clothes. It's not mine, but my mom is kind of bigger than this one, so she gave it to me. I saw it in her box. I just decided to try it on, so she said I should have it. But I don't know if it's still my size.
So I think that this is entitlement.
This is what is entitlement? This is my mom's clothes.
As the Atana, are they one?
Hey, as you know, I have to dress like a woman, like a married woman.
Yes,
this is how proper married women dress when they are going to meeting and when the people are, your in-laws and all those people are coming. But you guys know me, I like my shirt and all those things. But today, I've decided to surprise myself and surprise the people around me and dress in native attire.
Yeah.
So, get me ready in my mom's Ankara clothes. I told my mom I'm not big that much. She was thinking that I would need to like go and remove the whatever some places like here to free it up. I said no, I'm not that big, I'm small. Just leave me with my Honestly, it looks like they took my measurement to sew this one. What do you think? How am I going to tie that papa? That's the issue now. I'm going to just tie one. Where my tight inside and tie one is not going to be two.
No, it's normally two.
It's going to be one.
No, it's normally two. Before they find you, don't find I will.
They will not find me because me and them do not have any agreements that are going to wear this today. And this is how they do it. I have to do your leg like this so that it will not be your leg will not be clapping together when you're walking, so you need to do it like this so that when you're walking you're comfortable. So as somebody that has not tried this before, my husband said I'm going to wear two. There's no way guys, I'm going to tie the two. So I'm tying one as a new wife. That I'm not new, but in my head I'm still thinking that I'm not up to that age to wear all this. That's what I tell my husband, that I'm not really there yet. There will come a time when I will tie the two pieces of wrap. For now, this is the one I'm comfortable in. Okay, so so guys, this is me in my native attire. I just need to welcome them like this. Let me wear something different.
You need to fish.
Hair tie. Baby, what color again? Just a heat. This heat. I'm not tying this one.
No, you need to be complete. Let's see how you do it.
I don't know how to tie it.
But let's see how it looks like.
I don't know how to tie it, baby.
But mama, you should call your mom to help you. Let me call your mom. Hold it. Let me call your mom.
Baby, no now. When I try the full wrapper, this is just one. I'm tying one like a new bride. When I complete it, then I can think of that hair tie. I'm just taking it one step at a time. This is the first step. The second step, maybe I'll add two wrapper. The third one, maybe we'll go with hair tie. Then the next one, you guys will see me with big canopy. It will be blocking everybody behind me. So let's start simple. Let's just start simple. Like this is a normal baby girl dress. How do I look?
You look beautiful.
I know. Auntie Ndị ke ma ahụ kwana ga ma chọta ya. Bye bye. It's so why you need it. I want to say it.